Welcome back to Learn English Moments. If you want to sound more professional and polite in English, this episode is for you.
That's right. Today, we're going to share better ways to say common phrases like I'm busy or I don't know using natural formal English. Let's upgrade your speaking skills.
Lesson begins. Don't say, I'm busy. Say instead, I'm currently tied up. I have a lot on my plate at the moment. I'm occupied at the moment.
Imagine someone asks, can we meet now? Instead of saying, I'm busy, you can say, I'm currently tied up, but I'll get back to you shortly.
Don't say, I don't know. Say instead, I'm not certain, but I'll find out. Let me double check and get back to you. I'm not sure at the moment.
This sounds more professional, especially in work or school situations.
Don't say, I want. Say instead, I would like. I'd appreciate. May I have?
Instead of saying, I want a coffee, try, I'd like a coffee, please. It sounds more polite.
Don't say, you're wrong. Say instead, I see it differently. I'm not sure that's quite right. Let's take another look at the facts.
Disagreeing politely shows respect in conversation.
Don't say, tell me. Say instead, would you mind telling me? Could you please let me know? May I ask?
So instead of saying, tell me your name, try, may I ask your name?
Don't say, wait. Say instead, please hold on a moment. Just a moment, please. Allow me a moment to check.
This sounds more kind, especially in customer service or business.
Don't say, I can't do it. Say instead, I'm afraid I won't be able to do it. Unfortunately, it's not possible for me at the moment. That might be a bit challenging for me right now.
You sound more responsible and thoughtful this way.
Don't say, it's your fault. Say instead, there may have been a misunderstanding. Let's look at what happened. Perhaps we could review the process together.
This helps to avoid conflict and keep communication calm.
Don't say, okay, in every situation. Say instead, certainly. Absolutely. That sounds good to me.
These words show confidence and professionalism.
Don't say, good job, only. Say instead, excellent work. Well done. I'm impressed by your effort.
Praising someone with variety shows strong vocabulary and emotional intelligence.
Let's go over a few again. Busy, 2. I'm currently tied up. I don't know, 2. Let me check and get back to you. I want, 2. I would like. You're wrong, 2. I see it differently.
The more you practice these phrases, the more natural they'll sound.
If you found today's lesson helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who wants to speak English like a native.
And let us know in the comments, which formal phrase will you start using today?
See you in the next episode of Learn English Moments.